If you are trying to sign out of Gmail on Android phone, there is no sign out button inside the Gmail app on Android. Most people don't know that, but here's exactly how to do it, and the one warning you need to read before you tap anything. Open your phone's Settings app, not Gmail, Settings. Scroll down and tap Passwords, Passkeys, and Accounts. You'll see a list of every account on your phone. Find and tap the Google account you want to sign out of. If you have more than one, make sure you tap the right one. Now tap Remove Account. Before you confirm, read this warning carefully. Android is telling you that removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from this phone. This does not delete your Gmail account forever. Your emails are safe in the cloud. This only removes the account from this specific phone. You can always add it back. If you're okay with that, tap Remove Account to confirm. That's it. You are now signed out of Gmail on this phone. Now here's the genie tip. If you want to sign back in later, just go back to Passwords, Passkeys, and Accounts, tap Add Account, tap Google, and sign in normally. Everything comes back exactly as it was. And if you're signing out because you think someone else has access to your account, changing your password first before removing the account is the smarter move. If this helped, subscribe. Every week I cover Gmail, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Android tips that most people never find on their own. Next up, how to sign out of your YouTube account from other devices. It's right here.